There's times I really like the setup and other times I just really hate it. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Headliner mobile app and tell you why I am not a fan of this app for many reasons. So forever ago, I did a video about the online version, which has so many features and is so helpful. You can make so many different sizes of video and audiograms and whatnot. However, in the mobile app, there is so much less that you can do. So this is the screen you get after you log in to the app for the first time. There's a little bit of extra before this, but it's not that much and you're really not missing anything. So in order to get started, you'll click the plus sign in the bottom right hand corner. Then it gives you options for an audiogram or an automation. Audiogram is going to give you a little bit more, but not by much. So we're going to hit audiogram. And this is basically a wrap up of all you can do, really. You can look for your podcast or a podcast that you like, and you can make an audiogram of a particular episode. But I don't know why you'd want to make an audiogram of an episode that isn't yours. Like, that's kind of the whole point of Headliner, is making content for yourself or for your own channels and being able to use your own video or audio or whatnot. So I'm just going to look for not my current, well, hold up. Hey, it's there. All right, sweet. So you can look for your podcast. You can select a episode. I'm just going to select the most recent and it will take a bit. Then we can choose how much of this episode we want by pressing and dragging. We can also adjust by moving the timeline a little bit. I don't know where I'm at in the audio, and this is just for a test. And honestly, I'm just going to pick 1 minute because people's attention span doesn't seem to last any longer than a minute these days. So then we're just going to hit next. We can choose our aspect ratio. We can do horizontal if we were posting to like Facebook, maybe Twitter, depending on if these dimensions fit. We can post to our Instagram or Snapchat stories. So just to be safe, we're going to select a square, hit next. Well, actually, just to show off all these features, I'm going to select this, but I just know that I would rather pick square. Hit next. From here, we can change the color of our waveform, and we can also change what kind of waveform. So I'm just going to use this one, and then I'm going to stretch it to fill the bottom of my screen. Then I will come back. I will select image, and for whatever reason, you can choose an image from your phone instead of using the image of the album work for that episode or of the show's album artwork, whatever. So I'm not going to do this, but if you wanted to change it, you could. You can also choose the background color if you are able to see any type of background. So I'm going to make it this kind of blue color, hit select. Then at this point, it's done. So we hit create video and we wait. All right, sweet. Now that it's done, we can share our video and preview it. Now, there's a lot of things I don't like about this app. It's missing a lot of features that the desktop version has. So if we wanted to edit this, we can't go in and edit this. There's no edit button. All we can do is hit play and hit share, and that goes for all our previous projects that we've made in Headliner. So again, we can only preview them by hitting play, and we can share them from this app. There is also no way to add text or like speech to text elements to our videos like you can on the desktop version. The whole point of having a mobile app version of something is to be able to do everything that the website does on your phone. At least that should be the idea, but apparently not according to Headliner. So the only other thing in this app is something I haven't really looked into, but it looks just as sucky. So we can do like automated things. So select an automation. Again, choose a podcast. Actually, this time I'm going to use When's Food. And then here we can like make full-length episodes. We can do short videos. Short videos are better. But here, this is something that like no one asked for. This is like, send me new videos like once per episode or weekly or daily. So it's basically like creating a subscription of getting an audiogram. And like, what's the point of this? But the only thing you can do like is with the shorter videos, you get a small snippet of new episodes sent to you for easy sharing, but that doesn't really give you any control over what segment of the audio that you are sharing for social media. So this element really sucks, and I'm not even gonna go through with this because then I have to cancel it, and I really don't want to deal with that. So that is what the app contains, other than like your account settings. So you log out, terms of service, media use terms, privacy policy. Like, there's really not much to this app. So if you want a good app for making audiogram, like mobile audiogram content, this app ain't it, chief. Or if Headliner wants it to be, they really should get on it and start adding more features. But for all I know, like, they might be working on new features to add to this. I know there are other apps out there that are similar to Headliner that you can use on your phone, but that kind of defeats the purpose of being able to start something on your computer, and then if you're like, shoot, I'm not quite done, but this really needs to get published now so I can advertise that I have a new podcast out or a new video or a new whatever, you should be able to have all the features that the desktop version has. So should you download this app in its current state? No. So Headliner, this app could be so much better, and it's missing so many features, and once you get those features added in, I think it could be so much better, and it could be a great desktop to mobile application for content creators and podcasters and whatnot. Like, even just having the ability to import your own video footage from your YouTube video, that would be a great plus, but that does not exist in this app. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up, and you can subscribe and see my previous video in the end card. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye. Actually, that's the end card's already playing by the time you're hearing that, so I don't know why I did the like fake mouth whoosh sound. Oh well.